I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can get dark textures and custom skies. But before we get into the video, like and subscribe, and with that, let's begin. Alright, the first thing I want you to do is go into the description and join my Discord server, or it will be in my bio. And then after you join, go to dark textures and download this zip file. After you downloaded it, you will have this, and with these two in there. Then you will get your Roblox player. You can use normal Roblox or something like Fiststrap, like I do. You can also use Froststrap, Blockstrap, Velostrap, Voidstrap, whatever, as long as you can play Roblox with it. So yeah, right click on it, open file location, versions, the newest version, platform content, PC, textures, and copy these two textures and paste them in here. Yes, so now they should be in here. Okay, now you have the dark textures installed. Next is the skyboxes. Again, go into the Discord server, link in the description or in my bio if the one in the description doesn't work. Custom skies, and download all three of them. You can go in there. Here, I'm gonna use Goodnight. You can go through all of them, see what you want. This is Goodnight. One side of and the other side is this. So when you got yours, copy them and copy these text documents which say LATEX, latex. Copy those. Again, go into your into the textures, go to sky, and then paste them in here. Before the custom skies work, you you need to fix them with Skybox Fix. Go into them and then double click on move, extract all, extract. Will take a few seconds maybe, and then click on move again, open move again. If this doesn't pop up, there should be a white window, and then press on run. Now you have them installed. Alright, that was it with this video. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and like and subscribe if you found it helpful. And with that, have a nice day.